Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So here I welcome you all in your GK class. In this class, we will move on unit number first and chapter number first of unit number first. Okay, so we will read all the units. Okay, this is your GK class. Okay, so we will learn so many new concepts, new things that you know or you might not be know. Okay, so here we will understand lots of new things. So are you ready for this wonderful session, wonderful classes that we are going to teach you all? Okay. So hopefully by this classes you can we can say broader or vaster your journal knowledge. Okay. So here is the unit first tells you about animals and plants. So in this unit we will look about some of the plants, animals and all these things related to that. Okay. So let's start with chapter number first. What this chapter number first tells to you. The chapter name is Secrets of the Ocean. Secrets of the Ocean means fascinating water animals. Means the ocean are the home to the incredible variety of aquatic animals, each with unique feature and survival skills. These are, as we see, these are the so wonderful water animals. How beautiful they are looking. Yes, see these pictures, beautiful. They have a very beautiful features and all these things. From the playful dolphin to the mysterious anglefish, marine features come in all the shapes and sizes. Some, like the sea turtle, journey across vast ocean, while other, like starfish, have the amazing ability to regenerate their limbs. These fascinating animals contribute to the vibrant diversity of marine life and showcase the wonders of underground world. So here are some of the beautiful animals. We already know about these animals. Yes or no? We can see in the water, in the rivers, in the oceans. Yes, and these creatures are so wonderful. They have their own beauty. They don't need any makeups or something like that, like human beings need. They are originally beautiful. So there is, first one is dolphin. Dolphin is known for intelligent mammal, known for playful behavior. So it is dolphin, we all know. Yes, it is very beautiful and it is known for its playful behavior. Second is octopus. Means 8 arms, known for camouflage and problem solving. It is octo, means 8 legs that has. Next is sea turtle. That is ancient reptiles travel long distance in oceans. This is sea turtles that travel from long distances. Next is jellyfish. Means gelatinous drifting animals with straining tentacles. They have that. See the picture first of all. Okay, next is crownfish. Means colorful, lives along sea anemones for protections. This is crownfish. Next, bluefish. That is largest animal on the land, filter feeder. Seahorse, tiny fish with horse-like head. Males carry eggs. Next, starfish, apex predator with keen senses, many types. Next is starfish. That is 5-armed sea creature, can regenerate limbs. Next is manatee. That is gentle, slowing moving herbivores often called sea cow. It is also called sea cow. Next is anglefish. It is deep sea fish with long gourd to attack prey. Next is electric eel that produce electric shocks to hurt and defend. Next is sea otter. Means playful, use rocks to open, selfish, float on back. Next is Mantara ray. That is large flat fish with wings like wings gliding gracefully. Next is warwhale. Means Arctic whale with long spurred tusks. Next is lionfish. Means string venereous fins, invasive in some waters. Next is puffered fish. Means inflated as defense. Some species are highly toxic. Next is horseshoe crab. That is ancient creature with a hard dome-shaped shell. So these are the creatures that we can see in the water. Yes, these are all the creatures. Yes, that's it. Okay. So what the new things we have to discuss? What are that things? Let's see. Let's have a look on it. Okay. So So now we already know about the water animals. We will discuss some question answer. So that's why you can see how many of you can recall the things clearly. First one is, which water animal is known for its playful behavior and high intelligence? Which animal? So we will write the answer in the given box. Okay. Of course, the animal name is dolphin. Okay. Next one is, which animal has 8 arms? 8 arm means octo. Octo. Yes. Next is, which marine creature is the largest animal on the land? Blue whale. Yes, blue whale is the largest one. Next. Which fish has glowing rull to attack its prey? We already know it is mentioned anglefish. Yes. Next is, which sea creature inflates its body as a defense mechanism? It is peppered. Peppered. With the name also we can able to read. Peppered fish. Yes. Which ancient animal has her dome-shaped shell? That animal is known as horse. Yes. Horseshoe crab. Okay. Next. Which Arctic whale is famous for its long spiral stung? That is narwhal. Yes, narwhal. So these are the some aquatic animals have their, we can say our description, or we can say a very wonderful creature of our earth. Okay, that thing is clear, easier. So my dear Lina, that's all about first chapter of your book. Okay, so that's all. Have a great day. Just revise it well. I will meet you in your next class. Till then, thanks for watching.